TopProducts.com. Search TopProducts.com for the best product reviews online. Top Products presents our pick for the top 5 kerosene heaters. For this review, we chose 5 brands known for quality kerosene heaters, showcasing a variety of options that are available. At the number 5 spot is the SENGOKU 10,000 BTU kerosene heater, chosen not only for its features but also because of its budget-friendly price tag. SENGOKU Works Ltd. is a seasoned manufacturer of space heaters with over 60 years' experience. The company prides itself in providing quality products that exceed customer expectations. The SENGOKU 10,000 BTU kerosene heater measures 19.7 by 18.5 by 12.2 inches and weighs 22 pounds. It's specially built to heat up small spaces. This kerosene heater comes in a strong metallic construction and is highly portable and easy to use. But as the name implies, this heater can only be used with kerosene fuel. Next on our list at number 4 is the DURA Heat 23,000 BTU convection heater. DURA Heat specializes in providing industrial-grade heating solutions at affordable prices. It's one of the top brands owned by World Marketing of America, Inc. The DURA Heat 23,000 BTU convection kerosene heater measures 17.5 by 17.5 by 27 inches and weighs 28.1 pounds. Its ignition mechanism uses batteries. This sturdy kerosene heater is made of rugged steel, and it comes in an easy-to-assemble and operate design. On the downside, this kerosene heater is not universally approved for residential use. The next product on our list was chosen because it is a great choice for people who are looking for a kerosene heater with lots of bells and whistles. At number 3, we have the Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU kerosene heater. Mr. Heater is owned by Enerco Group, Inc. It has been in the market since 1984 and is renowned for providing innovative and highly dependable heating solutions. The Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU kerosene heater measures 32.25 by 14 by 17.3 inches and weighs 38.5 pounds. It's designed for efficient and quiet operation. This kerosene heater comes in a rugged steel construction and is easy to assemble and operate. Unfortunately, this kerosene heater needs a 115-volt AC power source to ignite, which may be inconvenient for some. When choosing the right kerosene heater for your needs, Top Products knows that budget can be an important consideration, and our number 2 pick, the DYNA-GLO 23,000 BTU indoor kerosene heater, takes the spot for best value. DYNA-GLO specializes in the manufacture of home heating and cooking appliances. The brand has gained popularity because of its unique product designs. The DYNA-GLO 23,000 BTU indoor kerosene heater measures 17.5 by 17.5 by 27 inches and weighs 23 pounds. It produces heat on a 360-degree radius. This durable kerosene heater is made with strong metal. It's also safe and convenient to use. The only inconvenience you may find is that it needs kerosene fuel to run. And finally, the PRO-TEMP 70,000 BTU kerosene heater made it to our top choice position because it provides a good array of features with an affordable price. PRO-TEMP specializes in industrial heating and cooling solutions. Since 2004, the popularity of this brand has been growing steadily, courtesy of its innovative designs. The PRO-TEMP 70,000 BTU kerosene heater measures 30 by 15 by 12 inches and weighs 28 pounds. It's specially built for large space heating. This kerosene heater comes in a sturdy metallic construction. It's also reliable and highly versatile. On the downside, this kerosene heater is susceptible to cold flow problems when operated on diesel fuel. These are our top 5 kerosene heaters. We hope you enjoyed watching our review. Until next time, take care. Click now to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and visit us at TopProducts.com for more everyday product reviews.